Spain is covered in snow. Arctic air brings blizzards to the Spanish Pyrenees. Up to 14 centimeters of snow fell in Lleida and Benasque. Red alerts were issued in several regions due to travel disruptions and the risk of avalanches. The snowfall caused significant disruption to residents, including traffic disruptions and utility service disruptions. The snowfall in Benasque on December 8, 2024 was caused by a severe winter storm called Dara, which had previously brought strong winds and heavy rain to other countries.